Homeowners looking for patio door replacement. Sterling Heights trust local solutions that improve comfort, style, and daily function. From patio doors, Sterling Heights MI to affordable patio door replacement. Sterling Heights MI, property owners across Sterling Heights. MI, choose options built for Michigan weather, energy savings, and long-term value. A reliable replacement patio door company, Sterling Heights, can help with modern patio doors, insulated patio doors, and custom patio doors. Sterling Heights designed to match any exterior, interior finish, or backyard layout while boosting curb appeal and indoor-outdoor access. Sliding patio doors. Sterling Heights remain one of the most popular choices for busy households that want smooth operation and a wide glass view. Many families compare sliding glass patio doors, Sterling Heights MI, with vinyl sliding patio doors, Sterling Heights MI, because vinyl frames, low-maintenance materials, and sleek profiles work well for contemporary homes in Sterling Heights, Michigan. Whether you need backyard patio door installation, Sterling Heights for a new build or a back patio door, replacement Sterling Heights. MI for an older home, local patio door installers. Sterling Heights MI can recommend practical, attractive configurations. French patio doors. Sterling Heights deliver classic elegance for homeowners who want a more traditional entry to a deck, patio, or sunroom. French patio door installation. Sterling Heights MI is often selected for larger openings, upscale renovations, and custom patio door replacement. Sterling Heights MI projects, where appearance matters as much as performance. Hinged patio doors. Sterling Heights and modern patio doors for homes in Sterling Heights MI can be tailored with decorative glass, premium hardware, and improved insulation, making them ideal residential patio doors, Sterling Heights, for both timeless and updated home designs. Patio doors. Sterling Heights is a smart option when the frame is still solid but components are worn, damaged, or difficult to use. Many residents search for patio door repair near Sterling Heights MI when they notice sticking panels, broken rollers, loose handles, or failed locks. Same-day patio door repair. Sterling Heights MI can address urgent usability and security concerns, while specialized patio door services. Sterling Heights, Michigan may include patio door track repair. Sterling Heights, patio door lock repair. Sterling Heights, patio door lock and handle repair. Sterling Heights MI, and patio door track and roller repair, Sterling Heights MI. Glass patio door replacement. Sterling Heights is often the best fix for cracked, foggy, or inefficient glass panels that reduce comfort and visibility. Sterling Heights MI patio door glass replacement services help restore clear views and improve thermal performance without always requiring a full frame replacement. Homeowners also request patio door glass repair, Sterling Heights, and glass patio door repair. Sterling Heights, Michigan, when chips, seal failures, condensation, or impact damage affect safety and efficiency. Double pane patio doors. Sterling Heights and insulated patio doors in Sterling Heights, Michigan are especially valuable for year-round climate control. Energy-efficient patio doors. Sterling Heights are a major priority for homeowners dealing with hot summers, freezing winters, and changing Michigan conditions. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors. Sterling Heights, Michigan, with double-pane patio door installation. Sterling Heights, Michigan can reduce drafts, support indoor temperature stability, and improve monthly energy use. Insulated patio doors. Sterling Heights, weather-sealed vinyl patio doors, Sterling Heights, and storm-resistant patio doors. Sterling Heights are all strong investments for homes in Sterling Heights, MI, that need durability, comfort, and modern performance along with improved natural light. Patio doors. Sterling Heights is most successful when handled by experienced patio door contractors. Sterling Heights who understand fit, ceiling, alignment, and structural requirements. Residential patio door installers. Sterling Heights MI can handle everything from custom sizing to finish coordination and hardware selection. If you need local patio door installers, Sterling Heights MI for a remodel, addition, or replacement project, a trusted patio door company in Sterling Heights MI can provide accurate patio door estimates Sterling Heights and help compare vinyl, glass, hinged, and sliding systems based on budget, style, and long-term maintenance goals.